could write and compose a song for the National People's Party. I'll be the happiest person, purely on professional terms. You are a professional group, but on a professional terms, I would urge in front of 10,000 people that if you could do that for us, I'll be the happiest person. As I said, nothing political, purely professional. Once again, I welcome Dr. D.R.L. Nonglait to our family, and let me assure you on behalf of every member that, Doctor, we are behind you. We will work day and night. We will leave no stone unturned. And from today till your election, I repeat, only till your election. After that, again, I will take my original position. But till the election, I am your worker. I am your worker. I am not the national president. I will work behind you. I will stand behind you. And I will work like a common worker of the party, not as a national president. I will do my role as national president. But if I have to pick up the chairs and put the chairs on the side, if I have to hoist the flag, if I have to stick the poster, I will do it for you. I will do it for you, Doctor. And that is the spirit with which we will have to move each and every single family member of the National People's Party. And it is only then will we come out victorious in this election.